I'm going to show you behind the scenes of how to make a YouTube short for a basketball content creator.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to feed. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe.
Okay, so there's two different videos I can do today. It's a dribbling short. It's basically asking like, what combination of dribble do you like doing? I uploaded a short already, which will be about here. And while I'm here as well, I'm going to get my training in because this is the first time that I've been to the courts since getting back from Europe. So I definitely need some training done. I rolled my ankle like a week before I went to Europe and it still hurts so much. It's so stiff. Man's is a bit rusty. Time to set up. Now, gotta put my phone in here. I'll put it this way. The back camera is always better quality than the front. Now I'm gonna put it somewhere on the court. Alright, now you're gonna see behind the scenes. Okay, first I'm gonna make my thumbnail. You're in a behind the scenes.
You see like the shot clock? What's cracking?
So I'm doing a short and then I'm doing behind the YouTube video of a behind the scenes of how to make a short.
Yeah, man.
So it's like a 2-in-1. So it's one shoot but 2 videos.
That's dope, bro.
Alright, so where am I gonna stand on this thumbnail? I reckon I'll stand right at the free throw. I didn't like that one. Alright, so I like that one. What I gotta do is record a double cross, a double tween, a double behind, and I'm gonna have to do like a combination of something. Yeah, I'll see how I go. So basically what I do is I record like the whole time without a break. It's just easier for editing so it's not so many clips. Alright, we want the best settings possible, 4K and 60 frames a second. Now, because the record button is blocked, I'm gonna press the volume button and that should start it up there. So as you can see, I don't always get it right. Got to take a few takes. Was that good? Overall, that was 17 minutes of footage. Do all shorts have to be like this? Not really. I don't think I'm like 10 out of 10 dribbler. So I like to make it look, I like to put a bit more effort in it to make it look better than what I probably do naturally in a game. Now I'm gonna have some water. And that is a wrap. But Bailey, what are you gonna do now? You've all finished. Now I can just have some freestyle, do whatever I want, get some shots up, and then I'll pack up. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching me record behind the scenes of a basketball short for a Perth content creator who wants to get involved with basketball.